This review is of the new Primal Snack Mates Kids beef and cherry bites made with 100% grass-fed beef, raised without added hormones and antibiotics. You are what you eat. Choose wisely. Well, it's not exactly correct to say that, but what you eat definitely affects your health. That's for sure. USDA inspected, gluten-free, paleo, and that's pretty much it. Soy-free as well. There's ingredients and the blurb and all that. Everything. So that's what you get. It says cherry on here. No cherry. Well, maybe if they hadn't been so stingy about the cherry juice powder, I'd be able to taste it. But as it stands, it's just a fairly standard flavor, original flavor of jerky. I'm really disappointed because I was really looking forward to having a cherry flavor in my jerky, and this hasn't got it at all. So disappointed. Well, I'll give it a 5. Probably doesn't deserve it since it has no cherry flavor, but oh well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.